in a sturdy structure. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Blanchardville to near Nora, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Verona, Mount Horeb, Belleville, New Glarus, Monticello, Blanchardville, Barneveld, Blue Mounds, Ridgeway, Hallandale, Browntown, Jordan Center, and Mount Vernon. Other landmarks included are the following location: York Memorial Church. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south central Wisconsin.